Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing our very own brother Skitch PP1, okay? Um I just received this in the mail, okay? So we will unbox it, check it out, see what it's going to, and thanks for brother sponsoring today's video, okay? All right, y'all. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider checking out all of the other content on the channel, as well as smashing that subscribe button, sharing the video out, leaving me a comment, and liking the video. I do love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so you get this box, but it comes inside of another box. So I have taken the liberty of getting all of that. So that's what it looks like, okay? And I'm just going to slide it back over here, and then we're going to unbox. And I'm going to show you uh, what comes in it, and then we will attempt to do a first project on this, okay? So you get this. Um, This is your brother at your side kit. This looks like your manual, and y'all know how I do. So I probably should actually read that, right? And we're just going to make sure there's nothing in there, and there is not. So inside this little kit here, okay, so you get this kit, and then you have inside this kit right here, you have a quick reference guide, an accessory. You got you some thread, little kit with some extra needles, a brush, some stoppers. Of course, your power cord, you're going to need that. You're going to need your frame, and then you have some stabilizer, okay? So I'm going to set this stuff back in here for right now so that we don't misplace anything, okay? And then I'll just set that off to the side. And woo, mercy. I will say that it's packed well. It's definitely packed well. And I don't see anything in none of that. So I'm not going to okay. Just making sure, y'all, because I don't want to throw away anything. And then we have our sketch, okay? It's pretty light, and I don't see anything else in the bottom of this. So I'll just sit it right there, okay? All right, y'all. So I'm going to put the bubble wrap in here, and we're just going to, excuse me, check to make sure that we don't have any extra cord. This does feel fairly light. It does feel heavy, you know, with all the packing in the box, but outside of that, it doesn't feel real heavy, okay? So I'm just going to quickly take off all this tape and things of that nature. So y'all tell me in the comments what y'all are doing on this good old, what is today, Monday. I'm a little bit confused on what the day is because I was off work because I had some business to handle. So it just kind of threw me for a loop because your girl is normally at work right about now, getting ready to prepare herself to get off to go and fight the traffic for 2 hours. Okay. For 2 hours. It takes me 2 hours to get to work, 2 hours to get home. So I'm tired by the time I get off work and by the time I get to work. All right, y'all. So we're still just pulling tape, just making sure. I think I see one more piece or two more pieces maybe. But yeah, so, and then I will be vlogging for you guys this weekend. Going on a quick mini vacay. It's much needed. Need that mental health break. Need that mental health break. Okay, y'all. So I think that's all the tape that I see. Okay. So let's talk about it. It is pretty much just whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know what happened there. Well, let's see here. Hold on, y'all. Let me get back to y'all. I don't know what was going on there. My computer just switched out of nowhere. All right, y'all. So back to what I was saying. Like any other embroidery machine, you have your thread holder up here. This is where you can bob and wind thread. Of course, this is how you thread it. Everything is laid out on the machine. I'm going to add the extra camera, and I'm going to try not to show you guys what is behind me, because I will be very, very mad, and I will give away the secret. And I'm not ready to give away the secret yet. Okay. All right. So anywho, this is, we have our wheel over here. This is how you cut the thread. On the front of this, let's see, it's probably gonna work. Yeah, it works better this way. So on the front of this, you have your pause and stop button, cut the thread, your needle, Bluetooth wireless up there. This is where you thread the needle at down here, and I know y'all can't see that. And then back here we have our power button and our power cord. I'm gonna go ahead and hook our power cord up. I'm gonna see how fairly simple this is, guys, to thread. And if it's simple enough without me having to read directions, then we will try a, oh my Lord. Then we will try a first project. Other than that, I will read the manual, and then maybe we will try a project. Now, I do have that Art Spirit app already because of the previous brother machines that I have, and they come with or offer you the option to download Art Spirit. So that app is already downloaded on my phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in. And I'm going to see if I can find a charger or get to the charging port right down here, because everything in this room is different since I moved it around. So I'm still learning where I put stuff at, literally. I kid you not. All right, but I did get to the socket. Okay. All right, so I got to the socket, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn this on. Well, actually, before I turn it on, let's go ahead and see if we can thread it. It looks, let me just open the book right quick and see if we can figure out how to thread it, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I have gotten it threaded. I am stitching it out now. I'm using the app on my phone, so this is what we're stitching out. It says it's going to take 20 minutes, but of course I'm not going to keep you guys on here for 20 minutes. This is just a trial test stitch of that design that they had in there. I just put a piece of the stabilizer, and see, as you can see, it stopped already. A piece of the stabilizer that they had in there. So let me rethread this, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so far we are back trucking pretty good. And so my thoughts on this machine, first of all, I probably need to understand why the thread keep breaking. It might be the thread that I'm using. I'm using the new bro thread, the new bro thread with this. I do like the compactness of this machine, and I do like the magnetic magnet on it so far. But I'll be back when this finishes completely stitching out so I can show you the project. Okay, guys, so we are finished embroidering. I'm going to mash that little clamp there, and wait a minute, let's check something. I feel like, okay, all right. So let's clean it up a bit. I didn't go back and restitch where the S did not, when the thread first popped, I did not bother about going back to rethread that because I don't have any water soluble stabilizer on here or any of that. This was just merely to test out the machine. So what I do like about the machine, like I said, is its compactness, its magnetic hoop. Whoever did this particular project, they did pretty good, not too many jump stitches. But anyway, so I love the magnetic hoop about it. What I do not love is that I have to use an app, but you can upload it. You can put this on your iPad. So I guess in a sense that's not too bad. But so far we're gonna go with we like it. So again, thanks for sponsoring today's video. And it has been great hanging out with you guys. I'm gonna finish taking this off of the hoop just so you guys can see what the finished product looks like. And yeah, I think we like it. And I'm just going to put this back on here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and I'm going to slide it back out of our way. But this is what we have, and I just did it all in one color. I did not feel like changing multiple color threads, but it did really well. So I used the tearaway. You know, right here, I could have went back and re-stitched out where the thread popped. But as we can see, and let me see if you can see that limited edition. Yes, that limited edition, even though it's black on black, still came out pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look very good on camera, but it looks very good in person. So super excited. And then, like I said, that is the back. All right. So thanks for hanging out with your girl. So until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.